crypto as inflation over in the US comes in lower than expected. Now, reading an article from TradingView, inflation relief as US CPI dips to less than forecast 2.8% in February. Today's lower than expected CPI should be bullish, signaling faster rate cuts, but crypto hasn't reacted strongly, as you probably know. Dr. Yu Yang, I don't know if I've pronounced that correct, chief economist at BitMining, told CoinDesk by email, weeks of market fear require more than a single good print to regain confidence. The real issue is Trump's aggressive tariffs, which risk making inflation stickier while also crashing markets. Yang added, also mentioning the layoffs initiated by the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, this puts the Fed in a bind. High inflation from tariffs makes rate cuts harder. Market crashes and job losses pressure the Fed to cut rates sooner. Cutting too early could reignite inflation, making future policy tougher. The market currently expects the Federal Reserve to restart rate cuts perhaps as soon as May or June, with the possibility of as many as 100 basis points in cuts by October. So you're gonna hear good news, bad news with crypto investing, with markets in general, but really it's all about liquidity. Now, I believe that data like this, like inflation coming in lower, will lead to the Fed transition from QT, quantitative tightening, to QE, quantitative easing. It will happen. I'm not sure when, but it will, because the US needs to pay off them debts. And when you look at the bigger picture, it's not just about the US, the Fed, it's about other central banks around the world, like China, for example. Now, China's economy is struggling. What they need to stimulate their economy, to turn the money printers on, they need a weaker dollar. And that has been happening over the last few weeks. Everyone needs a weaker dollar. All the other currencies around the world need a weaker dollar. Now, I believe Trump knows this, and he's using the tariffs as leverage to get what he wants. Basically, it's like chess at a high level. Way above my pay grade. But being in crypto for 8 years, I know that this type of news is all par for the course. It's all about liquidity. Use this time, this period of chop over the next few weeks, few months, however long it lasts, to focus on education and focus on that all-important cash out strategy. That's what I've been focused on over the last 6 months on this channel. My exit strategy, trying to help as many people as possible, because this is the important thing for us retail investors, taking profits in 2025. Don't get too attached to your cryptos like Solana, Sui, whatever it is, XRP. Maybe hold a little bit, but you've got to sell, you've got to take profits. That's the way I'm approaching the markets anyway. How are you approaching crypto in 2025? Let me know in the comments. Now, for me personally, I'm going to be cashing out incrementally over the next few months. Once alt season kicks in again, once the bull market starts, once that liquidity gets introduced into the markets, then I'll really focus in on my exit strategy. And I want to be totally out of crypto by 4 October, because I believe the peak for this cycle, based on all my research, based on what I've been watching, articles I've been reading over the last few years, I believe the peak will be somewhere between October and November of this year. Could go into 2026, as all the experts keep saying, who knows, but I want to be out before October if possible. Now, let me just tell you some of the data I'll be using to help me with that cash out strategy. I'll be watching the M2 money supply to gauge the market cycle. The M2 money supply and its growth have historically been correlated with Bitcoin in previous bull runs. Bitcoin's price has increased alongside the M2 money supply, so keep an eye on it. And depending on where you're getting your data from, that correlation is around 83-84%. Use the Wall Street cheat sheet and the fear and greed index to track market emotions. So once the fear and greed index, and you can get that data off CoinMarketCap, once that gets to like 85, 90, I'll be looking to take profits personally. Look at things like the Bitcoin dominance chart, the others dominance chart, look at indicators on TradingView, Personally, I use a simple moving average, 50-day, 200-day, to see the overall trend. I also use exponential moving average, the 9-day and the 34-day. I use RSI, relative strength index, and I also use volume. There's loads of indicators you can use, but I like to keep things as simple as possible. Avoid getting too emotional. Now, this has been one of my biggest mistakes over the last 8 years in crypto. 2017, crypto, any investing, it's all about psychology. It's all about mindset. So 2017 going into 2018, I fucked up big time. I put the £6,000 in, it went up to £30,000, but I was dreaming of it going up to £100,000 with no idea of what I was doing. I didn't have any financial education. Hello, Harmony Bliss. Hello, Flyclops. So back in 2017, 2018, I didn't have any financial education. I watched my 30,000 go back down to 6,000 and then zero. I got too emotional. I threw my toys out the pram and I didn't think about crypto for another few years. Please don't do this. Focus on education. Now, a few years later, 2021, the next bull market, things were much better. And I was able to cash out a decent amount of money because I'd learned from previous mistakes. And really since mid-2022, I've been dollar cost averaging in every month into cryptos that I believe in, that I've got conviction in. And hopefully, well, when this bull market kicks back in, when alt season starts, I'll dollar cost average out on the way up, because no one can time the top of the market. Now, this is just to give you a quick update on the inflation data that we've seen over the last few days. That's what I'm going to do by going live. I'm going to update anyone who watches the channel on the latest news, and I'm going to try and get other people in my community because I want to help as many people, as many investors as possible with my 8 years of crypto experience. I've actually got 24 years of investing experience, but 8 years in crypto. And finally, through trial and error, I know how to detach emotionally. So you can either watch the videos in this channel, or to take that relationship a little bit further, you can join my school community. I've got 2 school communities, a free school community where I teach investors how to invest in the stock market with low-cost index funds. There's two investing courses in there. You get around other like-minded investors, and I've also got a crypto investing community. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to read the about page for that crypto community. Learn everything you need to know about crypto investing to speed up financial freedom. I believe with everything I've got that if you get crypto investing right, it can lead to financial freedom, especially if you approach it in cycles, the 4-year cycles. Don't just steam in a bull market. Don't FOMO in looking for quick, easy money. You've got to put the hard work in and think a bit longer term. Get the proven step-by-step system I've used to build a 6-figure portfolio in crypto. No risk, 7-day free trial, price increase and so on. So the price is $19 a month, that's about £15, but you get 7 days free. So what you're getting in this community, you're getting investing courses. So I'm not bothered if you want to take advantage of the free trial, get in there, complete all the investing courses and then leave. I'm not bothered. You're getting crypto investing made simple, value $250. Complete investing, value $250. Crypto cash out, as I keep saying, it's all about the exit strategy this year, value $250. Weekly newsletter, value $250. Now, speaking to existing members of my community, this is where they get the most value from this community. If you believe anything is possible and dream of retiring early or even financial freedom, this group is for you. With crypto, you have an amazing opportunity to do just that if you learn to invest now. You've got to put the work in. You get easy to follow videos, step-by-step strategy to maximize profits, how to avoid common investing mistakes, saving you serious money, and I've made shitloads of mistakes over the last 24 years that I can help you avoid. Case studies to demonstrate how to invest in any market conditions, and that weekly newsletter focusing on market indicators, crypto news and updates, and how to take profits. Total value, $1,000. now just $19 per month. So if you want to join my school community, there's links in my description on this YouTube channel in my main page. So that's about it. Oh, as well, I have to mention that I'm not a financial advisor. I have to put a little disclaimer in. This isn't financial advice. I'm just trying to help you. I'm just trying to help as many investors as possible with my experience. So that's it for now. Good luck with your crypto investing over the next few months. Hopefully you watch some of the videos on this channel, join my YouTube community, and fingers crossed you join my school community. Thanks for watching. Let me just have a look at comments. Kate Harris. Hi Kate Harris. Claire Smith. As you can probably guess, I'm terrible at live streaming. Most of my videos are done with a teleprompter for this channel. I think I'm good at writing. I understand crypto, but going live is definitely out of my comfort zone. But I'm going to keep practicing because I want to get better so I can help more investors. Anyway, that'll do for now. Good luck this year with your crypto investing.